Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, part 2, numbers and number names. The last class we discussed about the Indian place value chart. And this class we will discuss about international place value chart and Roman numerals. You can see this is international place value chart. And in this place value chart you can see it is divided into 3 equal parts. Each part consists of 3 digits. The first part is units period and the second part is thousands period and millions period. Okay, so I told you each part consists of 3 digits. You can say ones, tens, hundreds. Units periods just like Indian place value chart. And moving to thousands period, see 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. It is not just like a thousand spirit is not just like a Indian place value chart. The thousand spirit you can see 100,000 instead of 1 lakh. In Indian place value chart 1 lakh is equal to how much? 100,000. So here is one difference. Is it or not? So moving millions period. In millions period you can see millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So Indian place value chart, millions means how much? 10 lakh. Okay. And 10 millions means 1 crore and 100 millions means 10 crore. Understood? So this you have to learn, then only you are able to read and write the numbers in international system. I have written one number here. You can see I have divided these numbers into 3 equal parts which consist of 3 digits. Okay, let us count ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. Instead of 1 lakh it is 100,000. Then what? Millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Then how to read this number? 573 millions, 274,892. Okay, so make some more numbers like this and place into international, make a place value chart of international system and apply the number accordingly, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, moving to the next question. Before moving to the next point, we will discuss some questions. Okay, here I have written 2 questions. Write the numbers in international system. We have to write this number in words, that is in international system. So what is the first question? Just count it. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So it is 2,035,708. We have to write this into words. How to write this? See this. 2 million. 2 million. Then 35,000. In 100,000 nothing is there, 0. So what we have to write? 35,000. 35,000. 35,708. So it is very clear how to write in words. 2,035,708. See the next question. Count it. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So how to write this in words? It is very easy because already I divided this with a comma. So 315 million. 315 million 15,705,000 705,000 995 995. So in this way you have to do. Whenever you are getting a question in this way, you have to write this into words. Okay. So before writing into words, you have to place the comma. Count properly. Okay. Moving to the next question. Next, write the following in figures. So the question is given in words that we have to write into figures. Okay. Here we have got the question 56,90,230. Okay, read once again 56,90,230. We have to write this number into figures. So let us see that 56 million. So we can write see 56 million. Then 90,000. In 100,000 nothing is there. 0. Okay. So what is next? 90,000. So 90,000. Then how much? Then it will be very easy. 230. 230. Very clear. This count it just to verify this. How to verify? Count it from right side to left side according to the place value. Place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. That means 56 million 90,230. Clear? So make some more question yourself and try to do in this way. Next is Roman numerals. So it is familiar for you. The last class also you have learned the Roman numerals. So we know that the basic Roman numerals. Which are the basic Roman numerals? There are 7 basic Roman numerals. All the addition and the subtraction fact based on these 7 Roman numerals. We can make any number with these 7 basic Roman numerals. Here, which are that is 7? This 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. So I have written the value also. Below the numerals I have written the values also. Just check it. So this is ones 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Okay. And some tips are there. Basic tips are there. You have to learn this. Then only you are able to make any number with Roman numerals. Okay. So the first one is 1 is subtracted from 5 and 10 only. Remember that 1 is subtracted from 5 and 10 only. So this one is subtracted from this 5 and 10 only. The next one is 5 and 50 are never subtracted. Okay, 5 and 50 is never subtracted from any of these basic numerals. Then the third one, 5 and 50 are never repeated. These two numbers are never repeated. Like we will not write 55 in this way. This is wrong. Okay, we never write 55 in this way. Some of you are writing maybe 55. I have seen that some of you are writing 55 in this way. This is 5 and normally you will think if you will put one more 5 there, it is 55. No. Okay, 55 it will not repeat. 50 will not be repeated and 5 also never repeated. 10 is subtracted from 50 and 100 only. So the last one is 10 is subtracted from 50 and see this 50 and 100 only. Let us see how to subtract and how to add Roman numerals to make the numbers. Let us see how to write the numbers into Roman numerals. So the first question is write the following in Roman numerals. Here 4 questions are there: 55, 143, 199 and 186. 4 questions. So the first question, how to write 55. So you can see this is 50. Okay, 55. So we can write the 55 in this way. 50 plus 5. What is the, here we have used the addition fact. That means 50 plus 5 is equal to how much? 55. The value of this is 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. This is the fact behind this. Okay, this is addition fact. Next is B, 143. How to write 143? First we have to write 100. Is it or not? 143 we have to write. So we can write this 100. What is the 100? 143. So 43 we have to write. We will not write 10 here. We have to write 40. How to make 40? 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. That means this is 40. Then what? 3 we have to write. Is it or not? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is 143. Let us see. C is equal to how much? The value of C is 100. The value of this Roman numeral is 100. And how to make 40 here? We never write 40 in this way. It can be repeat up to 3 times only. Up to 3. Okay, we never write 40. 4 times we will not place the, we will not put the tens. So 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. That means when 10 comes before 50. When 10 comes before 50 in this way. When 10 comes before 50, which means 10 is subtracted from 50. That means 40. So plus 40. This is 40. Okay. Plus how much? 3 is equal to 143. It's clear? So next is 143. This is the fact behind this. So here we have used the addition and subtraction fact together. And next question is 199. How to write 199? So as same way we have to write 100. Okay. So we can write 100. Then what to use? We have to use 90. How to find out 90? I told the same fact we have to take here. So it is 90. Okay, when 10 comes before 100, which means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So now it is 190. Then how much we have to write? 9. 9 how to write? This way. Okay, when 1 comes before 10, which means 1 is subtracted from 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to how much? 9 only. So 199. Let us discuss this. This is 100. 100 plus this is 90. This is 90 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 109. 199. This is the addition and subtraction fact of 199. The next one is 186. How to write 186? The same way, take 100 is equal to 186. We will not subtract 20 from 100. We will not write like this. This is wrong. We will not write, never write like this. So what we have to use? After this, we have to use 50 here. So 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Okay. Then how much we need? 86 we need. So 1, 10, 20, 30. Okay. So now 180 plus 6 is equal to 186. Here also we have used the addition and subtraction fact together. Okay. I think it is very clear for you. So remember one thing, we have in the previous point we have discussed what are the things we have to remember. That means one is subtracted from 5 and 10 only. All these points you have to learn. Then only you can do the addition and the subtraction factor. Then only you are able to make the Roman numerals. Okay. So this chapter is finished. So those who have got the book, please check the last page. You can see page number 17. One chapter test is there that you have to do yourself in the textbook itself. Okay. So we will start the next chapter very soon, and all of you have to do these things. Thank you.